Hello and welcome to today's practice. My name is Kseni and today I'm going to guide you through a very gentle, restorative Qigong flow. This is perfect in the morning if you feel a little bit depleted, a little bit tired, but you still want to move your body. Or you can do it anytime during the day when you need to relax and recharge. But before we begin, remember, if you enjoy my videos and want to practice longer routines or join a group session every Sunday on Zoom, consider joining my membership site. I'm going to put more information for you in the description below. Let's begin today's practice. Stand up nice and tall with your feet firm on the ground. Unlock your knees. Bring your tailbone slightly forward and then lengthen it down to relax and open through the lower back. Continue traveling up your spine, extending tall. Keep your shoulders nice and relaxed. Bring your attention to the back of the neck and gently elongating through the spine upwards. Take a moment here to simply feel your body. Notice how you stand. And then slowly rotate your body from side to side. I want you to go as slow as you can. This might feel a little different because usually you let your hands brush your body, maybe even tap across the abdomen and the lower back. But today I want you to move with ease. I want you to stay soft. Simply observing your body, allowing some of the areas to relax and soften. Be very kind, very gentle to your lower back as you turn. Draw your attention inward. Become aware of your spine. Feel it elongating upwards. Feel it extending downward. And feel your entire body rotating around your spine. Your spine is your center. So connecting to your center line, connecting to your core, and allow your body to relax as much as you can. Feel free to close your eyes here. Or keep them open, but relax your gaze. Just let it blur a little bit. Keep your feet firm on the ground, connecting and rooting to the energy of the earth. Feel yourself grounded. Feel your roots going deeper into the ground. And you feel safe, you feel stable, you feel secure. Bring your attention to your lower back and your hip area. And every time you turn, just feel a little relief. Feel the muscles contracting and relaxing. It should feel pleasant. Then bring your attention to your neck and shoulders, upper back. And begin to relax downward. Allowing tension from the neck and shoulders. Simply drain down your arms. Drain down the back. And just safely escape the body. You begin to feel a little lighter, a little bit more open and spacious. Very good. We're going to slow it down. Come back to center. Keep lengthening downward through the tailbone. Keep your lower back nice and open, extending upwards through your spine. This is very beneficial for the posture, helping to open the spine, improving circulation. Hello, buddy. Thanks for joining us. From here, we're going to go into the hip rotation. If you feel a little bit tired, a little bit heavy, avoid forcing anything. Just let your body relax as much as you can. Simply observing this motion in the body, connecting, being aware of how it feels. Make the movement as fluid, as soft as possible. Keep your mind focused on the sensations within your body. Sometimes we just need a little bit of quiet time to help the body restore itself, to help us recharge. So I find focusing on the sensations within the body, really feeling the movement, feeling the motion, helps to keep the mind settled, keep the mind present and calm. It does feel very calm today. Birds are singing, Alta is nice and calm. So I hope you guys can feel that energy and bring some calmness into your day. And when you're ready, change the direction. If you notice yourself going faster and faster, slow it down. Use your intention to slow down. This is your time. Take it to tend to your body and mind. Slowly begin to feel a pleasant warmth and awareness that's spreading and covering your entire hip area. One more circle around. Return to center. Relax for a moment. From here, we're going to go into the spinal wave. Keeping the same pace. Allow the muscles of the back to relax. Finding some fluidity and mobility through your spine. Let me show you the side view. Keep your entire body engaged, but paying most of your attention to your spine. Take your time here to connect to your muscles, connecting to your joints, the tendons, tissues. Just feel your whole body in motion. Minimizing effort, minimizing the range of motion, just moving with ease, comfort, and joy. Allow your elbows, your wrists, and even your fingers to be involved as well. Very good. And then begin to slow down. Slow it down naturally and come to a complete stillness. Assume the position. Allow your joints to relax. And take a moment here to be present in your body. Feel free to close your eyes here or relax your gaze. Take a moment to notice your breath. Stay here for a few seconds. Just feel in that space, feel in the sense of peace and balance from the inside out. Then take a nice deep breath in to finish. Exhale. And relax. Thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the session, enjoy the beautiful nature and the sounds of the birds. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to make sure you get notified whenever I upload the next video so you don't miss out. And share with your friends, share with your community. And I hope more people can discover Qigong and benefit from this beautiful practice. Enjoy the rest of your day, stay well, and I'll see you soon.